Hello friends, it's Sketchy, and I recently watched a really cool movie with Godzilla. And I thought, how cool would it be to learn how to draw Godzilla? Well, I haven't drawn Godzilla before, so... Well, I haven't thought about how to teach drawing Godzilla, so let's just get started. The first thing we're gonna do is use a blue pencil, and be sure to draw really lightly, so if you don't make a line you like, you can just draw a darker one next to it. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a triangle in the middle of my page, like this. This is gonna be the body of our Godzilla. And right across the top, I'm gonna draw a circle like this. Yeah, about like this. It's a big triangle and a little circle about the size of a quarter. And about right here, this is gonna be his nose. So I'm gonna create a little shape, like a rectangle shape. Then right here, I'm gonna draw another, like, bigger circle. This is the top of his leg. And then right here, let's draw a tail. So let's go like this. And this one, gonna come down and then curve in. So it's narrow here and then gets fat right there. And now from here, let's kind of give it an arch. From the head to the tail here, let's kind of give it a curve like that. See that? Now let's do the same thing right here on his neck. We're gonna come down here like this, and we'll give him a tummy. And we'll cut off this little corner here. Now we're darkening our lines a little bit, okay? So now we've got a shape that looks more like Godzilla instead of a triangle, because he's really not a triangle, but he's kind of shaped like one. Let's draw the legs. Let's draw another. Here's a big circle here. Let's draw another little circle right here. This is going to be his knee. Draw it nice and soft. And then I'm going to kind of bring it back like a cone. Like here's a knee, and here's his leg part. And then I'm going to draw this. How do we draw the bottom of his foot? Let's just finish it off like this for now. So we got a big old thigh, a knee, and then his lower leg. Well, from his knee to his thigh, let's finish that in like this. We'll do the same thing with his thigh down here. And we're not even gonna worry about this stuff right here. Thigh, knee, ankle. And now I think what we're gonna do for his foot is draw another little triangle. So draw a flat thing right here, and then come up to his ankle here, and then we'll draw really tiny toes like that. But right here where the ankle meets the little triangle foot, let's create a little curve like that. And let's curve this off. And let's draw a little claw. Let's draw another claw right here. And a little toe. There we go. That works good. And we'll draw kind of a crease. A little V-shaped crease right here. Well, let's put another V-shaped crease right here behind his knee. Now he also has arms. So let's draw a little circle. Well, let's draw a circle about this big. And then we'll draw another circle here, close by. That's his elbow. Let's connect those together. And then let's draw another circle right here. That'll be his hand. And let's connect those. And the elbow and the wrist should be close to the same size. Okay. And then I'm just gonna draw some fingers. 1, 2, 3. Long, medium, and short. And let's draw teeny little claws. Awesome. Let's draw another hand right behind this one. So let's just draw a circle right below. And then I'm gonna draw another circle right here. So a big circle and then a little circle. That'll be his thumb, like this. Okay. And so I'm gonna draw a little boink. So this is this part is this part here. And then he's gonna have like a little thumb. Boink. And a little claw. And over here, let's do the same thing with 1, 2, 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. And add claws. Little V-shaped claws. Now I have a hand on the other side. Let's do the same thing over here with his other leg. Let's just draw a little mimic. But because it's further away from us, let's make sure his foot doesn't go all the way to the same place. And let's kind of shade that in real quick to remind us, oh, that's just in the shadow. Now for his head, the fun part. This is nose. Curve the nose. And about 2/3 the way down, create a little V shape. And then here's the front of his lip. But now let's go from here all the way down to here. He's got a great big jaw. Okay. And then let's go where the circle meets. Just kind of flatten that out a little bit. And give him an angry eye like this. Cool. Now we have his back, and one of the things that we know about Godzilla is he has these really cool spines on his back. The way that we can do that is we'll start right here in the middle with the biggest spine, and I'll just draw a oval shape, like an egg shape, where it's bigger right here and narrower at the tip. And the same thing over here, but a little bit shorter. In fact, let's do this. Let's draw this from here to here. This will give us the length of these spines. Same thing here. Do this, and let's get really low. Small back here. This line is just for measurements. So let's draw another spine here. We go right up to that line. We'll draw another one here, and we go right up to the line. It looks like he is stacking a bunch of eggs on his back. Let's do one more right here on his head. And down here, it's gonna be a little bit smaller than this one. This one's gonna come up like that. And then this one. Remember, if I go too fast, just press pause. And then we'll catch up later, okay? Now let's create the shapes for these spines. And I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna just create these weird little shapes like this. So do that to each of the spines. Just random shapes along the top. Like it's been broken. Awesome. Okay. Now let's lock everything in with a black pencil, and we'll choose our favorite lines and ignore the rest. I'm gonna add a little nostril here, a little angle. The bottom part of his tail is going to get really, really heavy. Thick line right here. Draw his arm in here. Notice I'm not drawing the construction circles that help me to figure out the shape. See, I'm not drawing these circles. Just drawing the lines that helped me get there. And you remember when you're drawing this, you're going, why do I draw all these circles? Well, it's just to help you get the right proportion and the right shape. You got this. Just keep it up. Now I've been drawing for a long time, and so if you're trying to keep up with me, it's going to be really hard because I've been doing this for a long time. But what I want you to do is press pause and do your best to keep up. Finish where you're comfortable, and then when you cut up, press play and watch a few more seconds, and then press pause, and then keep going until you're done. And it might take you a little bit longer to do. That's okay. You got plenty of time. And I'm gonna make sure that, see how there's space here? I'm gonna make sure I would bring it down like this. I don't want space to be there. Right along this edge here, I'm gonna draw another little line. Kind of accentuate his spine. And right here, like on the spines, I'm gonna do like a little curved line, like a leaf. It's kind of like dark and then light, and I kind of shake my pencil a little bit, so it's not straight. And now I just branch it off, branch it off. And then he's just about ready to shoot like energy out of his mouth. So I'm going to create a little fire kind of a shape. And then I'm gonna do this. Looks like you didn't eat a tree or something, or an airplane or a bird or something. That's kind of a screw up, but it's still fun. Now I'm gonna shade in just below underneath these big arms and legs. So I'm gonna use my pencil, and I'm just gonna kind of just shade in a little bit. To make sure it has a little bit of volume. See that? And if you want to, you can go back in and erase all the extra blue construction lines if you don't like them. But this is how you draw the Godzilla. Thanks for drawing with me. I hope you guys had a lot of fun, because I sure did. I haven't drawn one like this before, so it was fun to explore. Anyway, please subscribe my channel so that you can see all the great lessons and have fun drawing with me. See you later.